Hello, welcome to English with me, your friend for learning English. I'm your teacher, and today we will learn about Emma's day. Emma is 20 years old, and she goes to university. We will learn simple words and sentences you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's start. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Emma's alarm rings. Listen.
Good morning. Time to wake up. I need to get ready for university.
Wake up means to stop sleeping. Get ready means to prepare. Emma says, "Good morning" to start her day. You can say, "Good morning" too.
First, I brush my teeth. Then I take a shower.
Every morning we brush our teeth. Brush is the verb. We take a shower. Take is the verb with shower. Easy.
I'm hungry. I want to eat breakfast. I like cereal and orange juice.
Hungry means you want to eat. Eat breakfast. Breakfast is the morning meal. Emma says, "I like." This is present simple. Very important.
I drink coffee too. Coffee gives me energy.
Drink is the verb for liquids. Gives me energy means makes me feel strong. Coffee is popular with students.
I take the bus to university. The bus comes at 8:10.
Take the bus means use the bus for transportation. Comes means arrives. We say, "The bus comes," not "the bus goes."
I sit down and listen to music on my phone.
Sit down means to sit. Listen to music. We listen to music, not just listen music. Remember the word to.
I have 3 classes today. I study English, math, and history.
Have classes means classes are in your schedule. Study means to learn. What subjects do you study?
My English teacher is very nice. She helps me with grammar.
Grammar focused, clear. Is. We use is with she, he, it. Helps me with. Help with something. The teacher helps with grammar.
I feel hungry again. I go to the cafeteria with my friends.
Feel hungry. Feel is the verb for emotions and sensations. Go to. We go to places.
We eat sandwiches and talk about our classes.
Eat is the verb for food. Talk about. We talk about topics. Very common.
Classes are finished. I meet my friends at the park.
Are finished means completed. Meet means to see someone. Simple present.
We walk in the park and buy ice cream.
Walk, no preposition needed here. Buy means to pay for something. Ice cream is delicious.
The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, I love sunny days.
Weather is singular. Love is stronger than like. Emma really likes sunny days.
I want to watch a movie. Do you want to come?
Want to expresses desire. Do you want is a question form, very useful.
Yes, I love movies. Let's go.
Let's go means we should go. It's a suggestion. very common expression.
We buy tickets and popcorn. The movie starts at 7:30.
Buy tickets. We buy tickets for movies. Starts means begins. Movies start at specific times.
This movie is very funny. I laugh a lot.
Is funny, we use is to describe things. Laugh is the verb when something is funny.
The movie is over. I need to go home.
Is over means finished. Need to expresses necessity. You need to do something.
I take the bus home. I feel tired.
Take the bus again. Remember this expression. Feel tired. Tired is the opposite of energetic.
I brush my teeth again. I put on my pajamas.
We brush teeth morning and night. Put on means to wear clothes. Pajamas are clothes for sleeping.
I read a book for 15 minutes. Then I go to sleep.
Read. Books are for reading. Go to sleep means to start sleeping. Good night, Emma. Let's remember today's important words. Daily activities. Wake up, get ready, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, drink coffee, take the bus, have classes, study, go to, meet friends, walk, buy, watch, laugh, read, go to sleep. Useful expressions. I like, I love, I want to, I feel hungry, I feel tired. Let's go, do you want? The movie starts, the movie is over. Great job! Today you learned simple English for daily activities. Emma's day is similar to many students' days. Can you describe your day in English? Try using today's words. Write in the comments, I wake up at, or I like to. Please subscribe to English with Me for more easy English lessons. Click the bell to get notifications for new videos. Remember, practice every day, just like Emma's daily routine. Small steps, big progress. See you next time. Bye-bye.